So Lyra Finance just announced version 2 of their trading platform, where they'll be distributing 150 million Lyra tokens to users of their platform. So by trading both perpetuals and options, you will begin earning weekly Lyra rewards for placing trades. So during this Lyra launch season, the platform is incentivizing you to place trades and be part of the over 1.8 billion weekly Lyra distribution rewards. Every user can view the rewards update in real time on the rewards page. This is one of the biggest lucrative opportunities currently in DeFi. You don't want to miss out. So today I want to cover how to begin placing profitable trades on the Lyra platform and begin earning weekly rewards. Let's get started. So like I mentioned, Lyra is an options and perpetual exchange built on the Lyra Chain using the Optimism stack. So because it was built using the OP stack, it does support various chains including Ethereum, Optimism, and Arbitrum, and along with it various ERC20 tokens including ETH, Wrap Bitcoin, and USDC. So during this Lyra launch season, most of the rewards are front loaded to the beginning of the launch. So that means roughly 20 million Lyra tokens will be rewarded in the first 90 days to traders. So you definitely want to get involved now. So to get started, I would visit the official website at lyra.finance and click on sign in. They also have a partnership with Coinbase Wallet. You can set up a Coinbase wallet here if you don't have one. But for this example, I'm going to use MetaMask. Click on MetaMask here. Cool. And once you're in, it would take you to the portfolio section. Currently, I don't have any tokens deposited, so I'll do that first. We'll navigate here, go to deposit. So like I mentioned, Lyra is multi-chain. You have various options to choose from: Arbitrum, Ethereum, or Optimism. So currently the cheapest chain is Optimism. So I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to choose to deposit some Ethereum from my wallet. So if you haven't already, also make sure you create a sub account if it prompts you to create a sub account first. So I'm going to deposit 0.01 ETH, hit deposit, and also make sure you have the Optimism network on your MetaMask. Make sure your wallet is funded with some ETH as well. So for this deposit, it'll be less than a penny worth of ETH gas. So hit confirm. Great. And you'll see your portfolio balance update with the new dollar amount. Towards the bottom, you can view your various sub accounts. You can have more than one sub account. This is usually for different trading strategies and different accounts. If you're new, I recommend sticking with one. So to begin earning Lyra rewards, you will have to start placing trades on the perp section and the options section. Priority is giving to the options side, which would earn you more rewards. Quickly, here's the reward schedule once more. The rewards pool will consist of 150 million Lyra distributed over 24 months. Rewards are to be determined at the end of each 7-day epoch. So let's start with options. So with options, you can bet if the price of a token will either go up in price or lower in price. So for example, Ethereum is currently at 3,900. We can bet that it'll increase to 4,000. So if we're bullish, that would be called buying a call option as shown here. Now, if you're bearish on the Ethereum price, for example, you think Ethereum is going to fall below 3,900, you would buy a put option. Puts are found here and the current price is 3,900. So we would go below that. Let's just say we think it's going to go to 3,000. You would click here. This $3,000 put would mean you're bearish on the price. So one farming reward strategy would be to execute a covered call on Ethereum. So what is a covered call? A covered call is selling a call option on an asset, in this case Ethereum, you already own, at a specified price and date. The payment you received is called the premium. So when you write a covered call, you do also have to write the expiration date, and that's when the contract option expires. So longer dates means you will collect a higher premium. Strike price is the price at which the call option can be exercised at. And finally, a call is a contract between a buyer and seller to purchase an asset at an agreed price. So for this example, we're going to sell an Ethereum call for a expiration date of April 26 and a strike price of 4,000. So once you've deposited some ETH, you're going to select a expiration date. I like to pick dates that are usually out 30 days or more. So we're going to choose April 26. We're going to select the strike price and the bid ask price. So from here, we'll just scroll lower. So current price is roughly 3,900. So we said our strike price would be 4,000. So that's our target price. And the left side here is the call side. So we'll stick to the left side for now. So the left hand side is the bid side, the right hand side is the ask side. So this is a current market price. So if you want your order filled pretty fast, you would pick the ask price. That's always more expensive. The bid price is cheaper, but this might take longer to fill. So usually choosing a midpoint between the two would work. So for this example, we're just going to click on the ask price. Now, because it's a covered call, we're going to sell the position. That way we collect a premium for the covered call, and on top of that, we earn Lyra rewards for placing the trade. So under size, we're going to keep it pretty small. The cool thing about Lyra is you can execute very small trades. So we'll choose 0.01. So to execute this trade, that'll costs roughly $4.18. The fees would be roughly 52 cents. And so for placing this trade, you will earn roughly 22 Lyra tokens, which estimates to be about $2.71. So we do have our expected profit and loss calculator here. So the cool thing is with options, you're able to close positions early, which is what I do recommend. Do not hold the option until expiration. So as long as the Ethereum stays under 4,000, you get to collect the premium earned and the Lyra rewards as well. But as soon as it goes over the 4,000 price limit, your underlying collateral, your Ethereum, is sold, but you get to keep the premium and the Lyra rewards. If you want a shorter expiration date, you can always go to something that's closer in time, say 8 days away, and maybe something a little bit further out of the money, meaning higher than the current price. So instead of 4,000, you can manage your risk more, and let's say we want 43,000 strike price. So here would be selling a 4,300 call expiring in 8 days. Premium earned would be 36 cents. The fees associated is 52 cents. Estimated Lyra rewards would be 22 Lyra, which equals about $2.71. So as long as Ethereum stays underneath 43,000 before the expiration date, you will be good. So once you're ready, go ahead and open the position. Great, and the order was filled. And you'll see your position populate under the positions tab, the size of the position, entry price, liquidation price, and the unrealized profit and loss. If you want to close the position, you would click on close, and this would close it out. So this strategy enables you to maintain your exposure to the price of ETH while simultaneously generating income from selling an out of the money call, all the while farming Lyra rewards. One thing I forgot to mention, there are no gas fees once you're inside the Lyra platform. To transact within is gasless. And if you go over to the reward section, right away you'll see the amount of fees you've paid so far, the amount of estimated rewards, and the countdown clock for the week. So currently the Lyra token is trading at 12 cents. This week there will be over 1.8 million Lyra tokens distributed, and for every $1 in fees spent, you will be earning roughly 42 Lyra tokens. Super cool. This updates in real time. You don't have to second guess how much you'll be earning in rewards. Another bullish strategy I want to illustrate is a bull call spread. This is a two-leg strategy. So in this strategy, you're going to be buying an ETH call set at the $4,000 strike price, and the second order will be selling another ETH call at the same expiration date at a slightly higher out of the money strike price. So we're buying one at 4,000 and we're selling one at 4,200 at the same time. So first let's select our expiration date, go back to the option section. So instead of April, we'll do March 15 again. We'll keep it nice and short, and we're going to buy the ETH 4,000 call. So again, on the call section, the left hand side, I'm going to scroll lower. Middle here is the current price, 4,000. So we're going to buy one of these, and again, we're going to keep it small, 0.01. So this would be the first leg of the trade. So for this first trade, I'll earn 22 Lyra tokens. I'm going to open the position. Right, and that order was filled. We'll go back to positions, and you see we're long on ETH 4,000 here. So now the next step would be to sell the ETH 4,200 call. So we'll navigate to that position and click on add. Here we'll click on sell, and under the same expiration date, let's go ahead and find the slightly out of the money call option. Click here plus, keep it small again. So for this trade, I'll be receiving 55 cents in premium. The fees are 52 cents, and the Lyra rewards are 22 Lyra tokens. So the platform is incentivizing you to place trades. You're being paid to trade options. Super cool. When I open this position, great, and that order was filled. Cool, and now we see both of those positions shown up here. The last one being selling the ETH 4,200 call. So for this strategy, collecting a credit from selling the higher strike call always moves up your break-even price, increasing your probability of profit and reducing the upfront capital requirements, all the while farming Lyra rewards. So with 3 open positions, we can look at our reward section once more, and it updates in real time. So I've paid 155 in fees, so my estimated rewards for the week would be 175 Lyra tokens, and the Lyra token is currently at 12 cents. Super cool. Again, not a point system. These will be real tokens that will be deposited into your account. And quickly, let's review the Perpetuals section. So here you can bet on the price of ETH or Bitcoin increasing in price. I am bullish on the price of Ethereum continuing pushing higher, so here I would go long ETH. So for the sake of demonstration, we're going to do a market trade, and again, we'll just do a small position. You can also use leverage. Let's keep it small, 1.26. My liquidation price would be 2,500 for ETH. Fee for this would be 52 cents, and I will earn 22 Lyra tokens. Let's open the position. There it is, our long ETH perp, and you can always close close out your position once you're profitable, or if you begin to dip in price, you can also close it out as well. So if we go over to portfolio, you see all of our current positions, and you can even see your collateral or any open orders. If you go to transactions, you can view any deposits you made. Under sub accounts, you can have more than one account. Again, if you're new, I recommend just sticking to one account. I do have an affiliates link I will post in the description, so if you sign up using my affiliate link, you and I will earn boosted rewards. If you have any more questions about the platform, there is an FAQ section under the reward section where you can always navigate to the support section here. This will help you get started even more, or even give you some tokenomics about the Lyra token or some trading strategies. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to use the Lyra platform and begin earning Lyra rewards. I'm super bullish on what the team is working on, and this is one of the most lucrative DeFi opportunity currently in the space. You don't want to miss it. I want to thank Lyra for sponsoring this video, and definitely stay up to date with everything Lyra Finance related on their official X page at Lyra Finance. So happy farming during this Lyra launch season, and as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.